That was just too good. I loved it. I couldn't help myself. I had to eat it all. Good morning. So this morning I'm going to make another omelette, but I'm going to put hash browns with it. All right. We'll put 3 eggs. 3 eggs in it. Give it a bit of a whisk. All right, we'll put all our ingredients in. This is capsicum. We've got tomatoes and onion. A bit of Parmesan cheese. Mix it around. Bit of salt and pepper. Right, I'll just take that bottom piece out. Just spray the bottom. Give it a light spray. We'll put the hash browns in the bottom. There we go. Then we'll put some bacon pieces in the bottom as well. Then we'll put them in the air fryer, cook them for 195. Go 5 minutes. Alright, we've cooked them for 5 minutes. So now we'll just tip all this over the top. There you go. We'll go 195. Go 8 minutes. I'll check them halfway through, see how it goes. Alright, let's have a look. Oh yeah, that looks good. There we go. Now that's a big breakfast. Give it a try. That's real tasty. It's pretty good. Yep, beautiful. All right then, see you on the next one.